limits of VPC is like 5 VPCs you can create within the region, and if you want to increase the limit of 5 VPCs, we need to get a request. We need to create a request to support so that they will increase based on the justification we do. And every VPC will have 200 subnets you can create. 10 routing tables per VPC and 50 NACLs per VPC, 100 security groups per VPC, 50 VPN connections per region, 5 elastic IPs per region, and we can also create a VPC using CloudFormation templates. And in that template, we will be mentioning VPC, subnet, NACL, security group, and load balancers. Where we'll be, as I said in yesterday, also we discussed how we'll be creating an automation process. The CloudFormation helps us in that template particularly helps us in creating and managing the infrastructure. Any questions here? So you need to remember the limitations of whatever in the AWS console, because sometimes some people may forget and always think that they are unable to create some of these stuff like any of the subnets or VPCs. So we need to create one more request, support request, so that they will increase the limitations. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever the template, whatever been discussing, it consists of consistent or reliable, and CloudFormation resource will be like VPC, subnet, security groups, NACL instances, and the stack can be. We can create our own CloudFormation template, and we can upload it to create an infrastructure, or else we can use already existing templates. We have sample templates available with some Tomcat application or any of the Apache servers we can create. There are sample templates. I will help you on that in the creation when it comes to the CloudFormation subject. So we'll be using those stuff. And you can also enable version control in the CloudFormation template while using, so that we can have versionable. Okay. So here is a summary what we have seen in the theory part. Now we will be doing a lab. If you have any questions, if you does not understand any of this, let me know. I can explain.
So I have seen two PPT presentations. So can you share with us, Pradeep? I guess in the first lecture there was a PPT present.
EC2 it is, because it's not for sharing.
Oh, okay.
We never share the PPTs.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you can share the screen. I'll stop my screen and sharing. You can share your screen. Who wants to share and continue with the lab?
Okay.
Or fun. Who wants to do the lab?
Jaz can do it. It's okay.
Okay, let me give presenter. Okay, so here, just be here. Now here you can see there is a VPC ID in the EC2. You can see the VPC ID, right?
Yes.
In the description. Yeah, in the description.
Yeah, above subnet ID.
Yeah, above subnet ID. Yes.
Yes,
These subnet VPC are default VPCs, as we have seen in the slides. Non-default, these are defaults. VPCs comes with the AWS account by default. Okay, and whatever we create manually, those are non-default VPCs. Okay, go to services or else click on VPC directly. It will route to
This
yeah.
here.
Yes, just click there. It will go to VPC. So this is the VPC. Okay. In the search bar, just in the search bar, you can remove that VPC. You will be here. Yeah. So this is a VPC. You can click on IPv4 CIDR. There in the state available, there is a 172.31.0 IP, the range.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just drag it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is 16.
Yeah.
So when we use 16, the set of IPs will be released, and that will be under your VPC. By 16, how many IPs comes? Those IPs will be yours.
Okay.
Okay. When you use 24, you can also use 24, and whatever the VPC, whatever the IPs comes under 24, you can divide it into the Oreo as how many subnets? 3 or 4? ABC 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So go to subnets. In the left column, you have subnets. Yeah. So right now it has been by 20. So they have by 20 means 904091 IPs.
Okay.
So you will be getting 4091 IPs in that range bound by 20.
Okay.
We'll experiment this by using different by 16, by 20, by 24, by 22, by 32. You will be having different when we right now here we can have 3 only. Okay, we'll create 3, not a problem. We can experiment. Okay, go to VPC. So here we have create VPC. So you can give a create VPC name. Yes. Okay. CIDR block 10.0.0 or .0 by 16.
Okay.
Okay. Tenancy check once. Dedicated or this will come. Default we will select.
Okay.
Yeah.
Create.
Yeah. Okay. Close. So that comes with the VPC. Test VPC. And by default, the route table is already created, and DHCP is also created by default. This thing.
Okay.
Okay. Now you go for subnet. Right now, there is no subnet yet created. Okay. Now we have to create our own subnets for our VPC. Name your tag subnet 1, test subnet 1.
So that's the sub
Yeah.
right.
Yes. And availability zone, you can select A. Now you have IPv4 range. Now you have to select your IPv range. 10.0.0 by 20. Create.
So here we have 16, right? And here we have
Yeah.
20.
Yes. Now we are creating subnets.
Okay. So
Create.
here we have 16 bits for more number of bits for the
Yes.
okay.
That now we are dividing in the more
Okay.
number of bits right now. Now we are dividing into multiple things.
Okay.
Okay. Create now B. Again create subnet. Test subnet to VPC. Availability zone B. Yeah. Now 10.0. No, that by give it 22.
Okay.
The range bound, the IPv CDR should be another range, like it has to go to be right 4,000 IPs, whatever the other range. Uh, 1 minute. 1 minute.